Hello, this is Rafa Monpó, freelance telecoms professional, and I'm talking in the next few minutes about relevant standardization bodies for next generation networks and the Internet Multimedia Subsystem. Let's go on. I2 is the International Telecommunications Union, and I2T is the standardization sector within I2. The I2T standard for 3G networks is IMT 2000, and for 4G LTE networks is the IMT Advanced. Such standards are specified by other bodies. The main reference one is the 3GPP Partnership Project. It is interesting to notice that now 3GPP is really focused on quality of service and quality of experience issues. I2T has also a set of discussions groups called the GSIs, Global Standards Initiatives, which are formed to discuss cutting-edge technologies, but in relation of how can technologies be feasible in practice for global deployments. These groups are temporary. Such a group was created to address NGN issues, but now is closed. Nevertheless, there are two GSI groups that are interesting to follow, which are closely related to next generation networks. One of them is devoted to the Internet of Things and the other to Internet Television. Moreover, I2T has a set of study groups, which are the ones that work on the technical side of the development of standards. There are 10 groups running now, and 2 of them are extremely interesting for next generation networks. In fact, study group number 13 is now the study group for next generation networks in general, but it's also extremely interesting to follow study group number 12, that works on quality of service and quality of experience. I2T is an international standardization body, but there are also regional bodies that produce standards. The standards are somehow coordinated and complementary, although sometimes the standards have differences in order to put barriers to foreign industry in a certain region. American industry has the Alliance for Telecommunications Industry, and Europe has the European Telecommunication Standards Institute, ETSI. ETSI created a group called TSPAN for issues related to next generation networks. TSPAN collaborates with 3GPP and I2, of course, but it's more focused on the migration of fixed networks to next generation networks. That way, ETSI TSPAN offers complementary approaches to 3GPP and I2T, which traditional work is more focused on mobile communications. The institution that plays a key role in IMS is the Internet Engineering Task Force, since IMS protocols use their protocols to achieve openness. In the same way, the Open Mobile Alliance also participates by studying ways to push third-party services development on top of IMS networks. The reason for that effort is that third-party developers will only invest in the development of services if there is a true economy of scale. Such economy of scale is only possible if, for example, a set of network and billing services is standardized and available in all operators.